Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can just change your domain name on your Shopify. So to do that, you have to just open your Shopify and log in with the account. This account you have, but you can just do sign up and make a new account. So here you can just like you've done, like login. So then you have to just click on left side here, settings. So here you can see as we have uh, here you can see we have domain. Okay, so to change the domain you can just like here in this click on is this domain. Okay, so here with the option to here we can just create change to a new domain Shopify. So we can just write here as we can just do sample shop for, you can just do like for you. Okay, so we can just add this domain. So this domain is provided by Shopify. So to live this domain we have to pay a subscription fee. So to like take the subscription fee for this domain, that is dot this is dot my shopify.com. So to take this domain, like you have to just make it live. So to you have to just choose a plan. So as you can see, so it will like cost you $1 or a euro. You can see this will cost you a euro, 27 euro, and $79. $79 is cost same as euros, 79 euro. And in advance is like 3 months. They will give you a 3 months free trial, and then you can just, if you want to like do further, you can just select. So if you don't want this, you can just take a starter plan. It will like cost you after 3 months of $5. So you can just choose starter and just I understand and confirm. Okay, so here you can see, so this will cost you about a year. It will be like $60 a year and $1 a month. Okay, so it will have free trial. When our free trial will end, and you can just confirm the billing second. So I'm not taking this. So we are going to the basic plan. Okay, it will be 27 euros. So let's select this, and you can see €1 for like 30 days. Like after trial, it will be here after 30 days. Every 30 days it will build, and it will cost about $36. So you can save like when you will pay $324 one time, you can just pay and save up to like £108. So here you can just see, you have to just select your address, and then you have to just add your payment method, as you can see. So I suggest you to add the credit card, because in credit card you can just set the auto payment and you can just do. So when you will like done here, then we have to go to settings. So here we have to just go to our domain. So like we have live this domain. So change this domain. So to make a .com domain, then we have to just go to here, connect to existing domain. Okay. So here we have to search as Namecheap. Namecheap provides us a cheap domain. So you can just buy from namecheap.com. So for example, like our shop name is here, as you can see. So when you have like here we have chosen like a shop for you. Okay, we have chosen like this. So we can just paste it here and search domain name is available or not. So as you can see, the domain is available for .com is not available. We have org and net. So I've chosen a domain previously. So let's see that. So here I've chosen like a shopeestore.com. So it will cost you a $31 with all the subscription and all the added things. So the final cost will be a $31. So when you will purchase this, then you can just add like clear here, and you will click here, and you can just copy paste your domain name, and for example like this is shopee.com, as you can see. So you can just here add this to next. So here it will say to like to buy this domain. This domain is not available, so you can just buy from here also if you want. So I am taking as an example, for example like a movie domain. worldofmovies.com. So you can just take this, you can just do next. So as you can see, this domain is purchased by anyone. So you can just verify this connection. To verify, you can just like here you can just follow the steps and you can just add the domain. So when it will be done, you can just easily change the domain to your Shopify to your .com. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.